Good afternoon to all. Let us start the exercise, that is differentiate the following function with respect to x. I am doing the sum from RD Sharma book. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. These are all division rule you have to apply. X square plus 1 by x plus 1. There are few questions are there. Let me solve some questions today. Okay. Just see how to solve. From the book, RD Sharma book, that is okay. ISC class 12, volume 1, RD Sharma. Let's see how to solve. Question number 1. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. So first write y is equal to x square plus 1 by x plus 1. It is given. By applying division rule, the dy by the derivative of y with respect to x, it will be as per formula v square. V means here x plus 1 ka whole square. V into derivative of u, that is x square plus 1, minus u into derivative of v. Finally, we are getting how much? X plus 1, x square derivative will be 2x, derivative 1 is 0, not necessary to write, minus x square plus 1, derivative x is 1, derivative 1 is 0. Now divided by x plus 1 whole square. If I open this bracket, this will be 2x square plus 2x minus x square, so this is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. The result will be 2x square minus x square, that is x square plus 2x and minus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1, x plus 1 whole square. Just a break. Question number 2. Question number 2, it is given y is equal to 2x minus 1 by x square plus 1, x square plus 1. This is the question given. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, as per division rule, b square means x square plus 1 whole square, b square, v x square plus 1, v into derivative of u, derivative of u means numerator, 2x minus 1, minus 2x minus 1 means numerator into derivative of v, that is x square plus 1. Finally, we are getting how much? X square plus 1, derivative of 2x will be 2, minus 2x minus 1 into x square derivative will be 2x, 1 ka derivative 0, whole divided by x square plus 1 whole square. If you open this bracket, means x square plus 1 whole square will be x square, sorry, x to the power 4, x square whole square plus 2x square plus 1. This will be minus 2x square. If you open the bracket, this will be plus 2x divided by x square plus 1 whole square. So how much you are getting after simplification? X to the power 4 plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel out, x to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1. This is the numerator part. Denominator is x square plus 1 whole square. It will be x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. This is the answer of number 2. Number 2 completed. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3, y is equal to x plus e to the power x whole divided by 1 plus log x. 1 plus, this is given. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x, this will be dy dx. Formula b square 1 plus log x whole square. Then v means 1 plus log x, v into derivative of u, that is dy dx of x plus e to the power x minus x plus e to the power x whole into derivative of, that is 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. Now 1 plus log x, derivative x is 1, e to the x derivative will be e to the power x minus x plus e to the power x whole into derivative 1 is 0 and log x derivative is 1 by x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay. If I take LCM, this will be x into 1 plus log x whole into 1 plus e to the power x minus x plus e to the power x divided by x into 1 plus log x whole square. In this question number 3 completed. Number 4 question, that is given y is equal to e to the power x by 1 plus x square. This is given. Therefore, dy dx will be as per formula b square 1 plus x square whole square. Then 1 plus x square into derivative of e to the power x minus e to the power x into derivative of the denominator, that is 1 plus x square. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. This is equivalent to e by v. Now e to the derivative will be e to the power x 1 plus x square into e to the power x minus e to the power x derivative will be x square derivative will be 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Take e to the power x common. What left here? 1 plus x square here minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. This is the answer of number 4. In this 4 question completed. One more question I do, last question today. Just see question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is given 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus log x divided by 1 minus log x. This is the question given. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x as per formula 1 minus log x whole square, then v means 1 minus log x v into derivative of u. The derivative u will be how much? Directly I am doing derivative 1 is 0, log x derivative will be 1 by x minus 1 plus log x u into derivative of v. So what is the derivative of 1 minus log x? Derivative of 1 minus log is 1 by 0 minus log x derivative is 1 by x, only minus 1 by x. Here you can take in the numerator 1 by x common, take it common 1 minus x. What left here? 1 minus log x. This will be minus minus plus 1 plus log x. I have taken 1 by x common by 1 minus log x whole square. Now minus log x plus log x cancel out. 1 plus 1 2 means 2 divided by 2 by x into 1 minus log x whole square. This is the question number 5. In this way, few questions today I have completed using division rule. Thank you for today class. Next day I do more sums. Try to practice these sums. Okay.